Hi everyone, this is Patrick here. I want to show you something cool that I've done with my NAS server. To give you a quick overview, I have installed the software called Pi-hole. Essentially what it does, it creates a DNS server originally designed for your Raspberry Pi that blocks ads natively. So I was able to install this on my NAS with Docker container. As you can see here, the overview, I have the NAS set up. My DNS is currently set up to Google, and on these websites I have ads running. This is a good website to test you. I will add it to the description of the video. On my Google router, it is currently set up to the DNS to point to the NAS, which is where the Docker container is running. To give you a quick overview, this is my Docker container. It is one you can automatically download these from this from the app itself. It's really cool how they implemented it, and you can with a few button clicks you can have this up and running. I found the one that Debian from the tag Debian with Debian OS installed to be running better than the other ones. Maybe they'll fix it in the future. But for now, on the Raspberry Pi, on the Pi-hole, sorry, I have configured the ports 53, which is necessary for your DNS. And the web port, I had to change it to 8080. And this is due because I have already a web station installed. Web station is kind of like Apache or Microsoft. It's essentially a web server that serves pages. You can serve it over HTTP, HTTPS, and you can also add PHP model to it. So I had to change this. So it is currently up and running. However, my PC is still pointing to the Google DNS. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on obtain the DNS server address automatically from the router, which the DNS is picking up from the Pi-hole. So let's OK this, close this. We need to flush the DNS, so it picks up the new DNS resolver. So let's test this website. If I click on reload this page, all these ads should disappear. And there it is. It natively, there's still one or two ads that might come through, but if you reload a couple of times, they might even disappear. There's another one, as you can see, is an ad here. Here is another ad down. If I click now on reload, okay, there is still one here, but these are gone. So as you can see, it blocks most of the ads. It does a little bit on the beginning, a strange way to block it. These icons will essentially disappear when the ads, if you close the website and reopen again. It's mostly something cached. And the cool thing is if you have set it up on your router, the DNS. So if you have, for example, a tablet at home or a web or an Android device or anything that has web capabilities, when that device checks into the router, if you browse, for example, any website, it will pick up the same DNS. So it will block the ads on all your devices that you have at home that you have configured to use the router, as well as Android apps. I have found that it also blocks ads of some apps that I have installed for free. Normally these freemium apps, they contain ads, so that still creates a revenue model. These are also automatically blocked. So this is something really cool. It is easy to set up. The only thing that you need to think before is the ports, because normally the port 80 will conflict with your web server if you have one set up. If not, then you can just go ahead. I found it at 8080 is a very good port for that. As well, to show you, there is an Okay, give me just a minute. I think this is not working. Ah, now it is working. So currently this DNS is still a bit strange. Sometimes it is required for you to restart the Docker container for everything to be set up. As you can see, this is the same interface that displays all the stats, everything that DNS queries that are blocked, everything that goes through. If you log in, you have the capabilities to manually blacklist domains, but you have also the ability to manually whitelist them, which is really handy. If you see by using this DNS, if you're using a specific website that for some reason something is blocked that it shouldn't be, you can whitelist that website. Okay, that's all for today. I'll add the links to the Pi-hole software, to the Docker container and ads desk page below, and let me know on the comments if you have any questions. Thank you.